Signifyd LLC is back to discuss LinkedIn leadership hacks, inspire, and grow your network. Hey leaders, whether you're a VP, director, or rising star, your LinkedIn presence has the power to inspire, influence, and ignite change. But if your profile feels more like a digital resume than a leadership brand, this video is for you. Look, I'm going to be straight with you. LinkedIn is an outstanding goldmine for leaders who actually get it. It's not about bragging rights or empty connections. It's about building a community around your vision, adding real value, and showing the world what you stand for. Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of how to use LinkedIn to elevate your leadership game. So buckle up, grab your coffee, and let's get after it. First things first, your About section. This isn't just a summary, all right? This is your digital leadership story. So many of you treat it like some knockoff of your resume, listing every single job you've ever had. Nobody cares. Instead of starting with what you do, start with your why. What gets you fired up in the morning? What do you believe in? What kind of leader are you? What change are you trying to create in the world? Let me give you an example. I believe in building cultures where people are empowered to innovate and thrive. Over the past 15 years, I've led diverse teams to turn vision into strategy and strategy into results. See the difference? That pulls people in. It tells them not just what you do, but why it matters. That's how you create a connection. Let's talk content. Most leaders fall into the look at this project I did trap. It's all about visibility, not value. Flip the script. I'm talking about the 80-20 rule, 80% value, 20% visibility. Here's what I mean. Share lessons you've learned on your leadership journey. Talk about team wins. And when you do, highlight the people, not just the metrics. Give your take on industry trends. What do they mean for your team? What do they mean for the future? Don't be afraid to pull back the curtain and share your thought process. How did you make a tough decision? What did you learn from a failure? Vulnerability is powerful, my friends. Pro tip, end your posts with a question. Get your audience engaged. Something as simple as, what's your approach when facing this kind of challenge? Turns a monologue into a conversation. And that's how you build a community. Use video or voice to humanize your brand. You want to know the secret sauce? Human connection. People connect with people, not resumes. And the best way to do that online is with video and voice. LinkedIn has this voice intro feature. Use it. Record a quick message so people hear your voice when they visit your profile. Or better yet, start recording short 1-minute videos. It doesn't have to be fancy. Talk about your leadership philosophy, give a shout out to your team, share a quick thought, whatever feels authentic to you. I'm telling you, a 60-second video can outperform a text post 10 times over. Why? Because people connect to faces and voices, not just words. Show them who you are, not just what you do. Comment like a thought leader. Listen up, because this one is important. Don't underestimate the power of smart commenting. Find 2 to 3 leaders you admire in your industry. Follow them, engage with their content. And when I say engage, I don't mean dropping a great post and calling it a day. Add value, share an insight, a different angle, or even a question that sparks further discussion. Thoughtful comments not only add to the conversation, but they also boost your visibility and show others how you think. It's all about adding value, my friends. Always be adding value. Make it easy to follow and contact you. Last but not least, let's make sure your profile is optimized for connection. First up, your banner image. Ditch the generic LinkedIn background and create a custom banner with your leadership tagline. Make it pop. Next, that featured section, use it, showcase a post, a podcast episode, or an article you're proud of. Give people a taste of your thought leadership right off the bat. And for crying out loud, make sure your contact info is up to date. Make it easy for people to reach you. Oh, and one more thing. Switch that connect button to follow. This is crucial for leaders. It lowers the barrier for connection and allows people to follow your content without having you to send a formal request. Trust me, it makes a difference. Level up your LinkedIn game. Remember, LinkedIn isn't about perfection. It's about presence. Show up consistently. Speak with heart. Lead with purpose. That's how leaders inspire and grow community. That's how you build a personal brand that resonates. If you found this helpful, drop a thumbs up, comment your favorite tip, and don't forget to subscribe to Signified LLC for more career content just like this. Want help building your executive LinkedIn presence? Don't be shy. Contact us at signified.service@sigmail.com to book a strategy call with us. Let's turn your profile into a platform for influence.